So I'm getting started on this fat boy today. I pulled the front fender off. We got some color matching to do. The tank has seen better days. It got dropped a couple different times in one of those toy hauler. Got slammed around pretty good. So he brought me this replacement tank. So you can see it's got some paint protection film on it in a few places. Got the factory badging, that's all going to come off. And as you can see in the graphic that's on here, we're going to use these colors. We're going to do a little bit of different graphic on the tank. This is the factory one. It's a 15, I believe, fat boy. But we're going to do a script lettering in that teal color. And then there's going to be a background graphic behind it that's going to be the purple. And it'll be outlined in silver like a pinstripe around it. So I'm going to kind of work on that. We kind of got the inspiration. Like I said, I took this front fender off. But you can kind of see that purple, I don't know what you'd call that little bullet area, the purple line. We're going to kind of pull an inspiration off that to make a background piece. Shape won't be exactly the same, but a little different. But that'll go behind the Harley Davidson, which will be in a script. So I'm going to start stripping this tank down right now.